Good morning, friends. Today we are going to end of the classification of insect orders which are included in your syllabus. The remaining part of order Lepidoptera we are going to describe here. Here, the 97% of the Lepidopterans or the majority of the Lepidopterans are included in Titricea suborder. The families of this suborder are summarized in the following manner. Number one, family Nymphalidae, that is called brush-footed butterflies. Antennae of these butterflies are slender, clubbed or clavate. Labial palps are moderately long, terminal rather pointed, forewings with cubital second absent, hindwings without frenulum, CU2, cubital second absent, humeral lobes well developed, forelegs are short, functionless, hairy, and folded on thorax. Larva is with many processes or spines on the body. ఇది painted lady butterflies, Venetia cardui. The second family is the Lichenidae, in which the blues, coppers, and hair streaks are included. Anterior tarsi of male more or less abbreviated, one or both claws absent. Compound eyes are white rimmed. Antennae are with white rings. Upper wings upper wing surfaces is either metallic blue or coppery. Lower wing surface is lighter in color. Larvae are flattened with retractile head. Examples of blue butterflies and the pomegranate fruit borers like the Virecola isocrates. Next family is the Papilionidea, swallowtails. Legs normal, hind legs with one anal vein, often large and brightly colored. Prothoracic legs have tibial epiphysis. In many species, hind wings has tail-like prolongation. Amplexiform type of wing coupling is present. Larval body is either smooth or with tubercles. Retractile osmetraria are present on the prothoracic tergum of the caterpillars. For example, citrus butterflies, Papilio demoleus. Next family is the Pieridae, in which the white and sulfur butterflies are included. Legs of these butterflies are normal. Hind wings with two anal veins. They are white or yellow or orange colored with black marking. Larvae is green, elongate and covered with fine hairs. Larval body segments have annulates. Example is the cabbage butterfly, Pieris brassicae. Next family is the Danaidae. Milkweed butterflies, also known as brush-footed butterflies. Most of these species are found in tropical Asia and Africa. Larvae have thoracic tubercles. and use plants within the family Apocynaceae that often contains latex-like compounds in the stem as a host. Adults are aposematic. Family Tinidae, in which the cloth moths are included, head being usually rough-haired, the proboscis short or absent, and the maxillary palps often long. Small moths with large maxillary palps. Caterpillars feed on wool, furs, feathers, and other organic products, causing considerable damage on fabrics. They produce a web-like mass over fabrics as they feed. Examples of Tinidae family are the Tiniola, Bicellulela, and Trichophaga tapagella. These are the cloth moths, which are serious pest on the wool, fur, feathers, etc. Saturnidae is the Ghent silk moth, hind wings with wing subcosta and radius first, diverging from cell base, M2 arising at or in front of middle of cell, nearer M1 then cubitus first A and cubitus 2, and frenulum completely absent, very rarely more than one anal wings, tibia without spurs. They are large size moths. Antenna is bipectinate, transparent, circular or crescentic transparent eye spots are present near the center of each wing. Larva is stout and smooth with scaly. Cocoons is dense and firm. Tussar silkworm, Antheria papia is the example of this family. Family Bombacidae, in which the silkworm moths are included. For example, Bombyx mori, that is mulberry silkworm. Hind wings with subcosta plus radius first connected with cell by a cross wing. Forewings with M1 free or shortly stalked on radial sector. Proboscis absent, antenna is bipectinate, larva is either with tuft of hairs, a glabrous with medicodorsal, mediodorsal horn on the eighth abdominal segments. Pupation occurs in dense silken cocoon. The example is well known silk moth, that is mulberry silkworm, known as Bombyx mori. Next family is the Sphingidae, that is called hawk moths, and sphinx moths and homeworms are included in this family. They are large sized, stoutly built moths. Antenna is thick towards the middle and hooked at the tip. Proboscis is very long. Forewings are elongated and pointed with very oblique outer margins. Hind wings are reduced in width, fitting into the indented margins of forewings. Adult moths resembles with human skull. Family Geometridae, in which the carpets, waves, and parks lupus are included in this family. Tympanal organs, ventral, hind wings with subcosta plus radius 1, remote from a radial sector beyond the cell. Furcate at extreme base, forewings with R4 and 5 connected with R2 and 3. Both pairs of wings are angular and thin. Larva is necked and elongate. It shows the protective resemblance to twigs and stems. Only two pair of prolacts are present in 6th and 10th abdominal segments. It walks by drawing the posterior part of the body close to the thorax, the body forming a loop, also called as inchworm. Example is T-looper, Biston, Biston supraceria, Biston supraceria is the example of this family. Parallelity in which the grass moths are included, maxillary palps are usually present, legs always long, hindwings with wing CU2 fully developed, but wings subcosta plus radial first approximated to or fused with radial sector distally. Ostellum usually scaly, tympana present at the base of the abdomen. Labial palps are extended, forewings are narrow and elongated. At rest, they are wrapped around the body. Larva bores into the root stamen or crown of the gramineous plants like the sorghum stem borer, Chilopartellus. Cotylidae, the slug caterpillars, they are medium-sized moth with a stoutly built body. Larva resembles the slug and is thick, short, fleshy, and stout. Larval head is small and retractile. Thoracic legs are minute. Abdominal segmentation is indistinct. Prolapse are rudimentary or absent. Poisonous articulating hairs are present on the body scopa. For example, castor sulp caterpillar Latoia lepida is the example of this family. Jelechiri, the paddy moth, antennae rarely with basal pecten, forewings trapezoidal, hindwings with radial sector plus M1 stalked or approximated at base, posterior margin usually sinuate, forewings trapezoidal and narrower than hindwings. Caterpillars bore into the seeds, tubers, and leaves. For example, cotton pink bollworm, Pectinophora gossypiala is the example of this family. Rectidae, that is known as tiger moths. Maxillary palps minute, tympanial organs present on metathorax, cubital 2 absent from both wings, forewings with M2 basally approximated to M3, subcosta plus radius first separates from the radial sector, hindwings with SC plus R1, stout body, wings are conspicuously spotted and banded. They are nocturnal and attracted to light. Larvae is either sparsely hairy and densely hairy. Woolly beard. Example, black hairy caterpillar, Astigmaena lactinia is the example of this family. Noctidae, Noctua moths. They are medium-sized, stoutly built moths. They are nocturnal and attracted to light. Labial palpi is well developed. All crotchets on the larval prolapse are of same size and arranged in semicircle. Some larvae are semiloopers. They have either 3 or 4 pairs of legs, often cut small seedlings close to ground and hence called cutworms. For example, tobacco cutworms, Spodoptera litura. Hesperidae is the next family. The characteristics of this family are antennae widely separated at the base. They are dilated apically to form a gradual club. Wings are approximate. Wings are comparatively small. They are often held partly open at rest. Flight is erratic and darting. Larval head is large. There is constriction beyond head. Larva tapers towards both extremities. Both the larvae are often concealed in the host foliage and, for example, rice skippers, Pelopidus matheos is the example of this family. This is all about the families of order Lepidoptera और यहाँ यहाँ पर हम लेपिडोप्टेरा और हमारे सिलेबस के अंदर जो समाहित फैमिलीज हैं उनका क्लासिफिकेशन हम यहाँ पे संपूर्ण करते हैं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द families of Lepidoptera. Thank you very much.